There is a sacred truth, whispered by the cosmos, that your presence in his life was never an accident. It was a divine appointment, a celestial orchestration woven into the very fabric of time. You were not a coincidence. You were an answer. An answer to prayers he may not even remember uttering, a key to locks he didn't know existed within his own soul. The angels say your arrival was predestined, a gentle hand guiding him toward a healing he desperately needed, a love he unknowingly craved. You carry a light, a unique frequency that resonates with the deepest parts of his being, stirring ancient memories of connection, of belonging. This resonance is why he struggles to let you go, even when his human mind, clouded by fear or past wounds, tries to pull away. His spirit recognizes yours, a beacon in his often turbulent inner world. You are a mirror reflecting his highest potential, a gentle reminder of the man he is meant to be. This profound connection, this soul recognition, transcends logic and earthly understanding. It is a spiritual bond, forged in realms beyond our sight. You are a divine gift, a catalyst for his transformation, and for yours. Embrace this truth, for it is the foundation of everything. The angels whisper, you are a chosen vessel, carrying grace into his journey. This is not a burden, but a blessing, a testament to the strength and compassion held within your spirit. Your path, intertwined with his, serves a higher purpose, unfolding according to a plan far grander than any earthly design. Trust this sacred blueprint. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. His silence, dear heart, is not an absence of feeling, but often a profound internal process. It is a sacred pause, a time when his soul grapples with the truths your presence has awakened. Do not mistake his quiet for indifference or his distance for rejection. The angels reveal that his retreat is often a necessary space for integration, a period where he confronts the depths of his own being, the fears and shadows that your light has illuminated. You have touched places within him that perhaps no one else has dared to reach, stirring emotions he may not yet have the language to express. This can be overwhelming for a soul unaccustomed to such profound connection. His silence is a cocoon, not a tomb. Inside, a transformation is occurring, a battle between his old self and the man your spirit inspires him to become. He is wrestling with vulnerabilities, with the sheer magnitude of what you represent to him. The angels whisper, his quiet moments are filled with your essence, a silent contemplation of the future you ignite within him. He is not forgetting you, he is processing you. He is learning to navigate the intensity of the love you offer and the healing you bring. This space he creates is not about pushing you away, but about finding the strength to fully embrace what is real and true. Allow him this sacred space, knowing that even in stillness, your connection vibrates. His soul remembers. You possess an innate power, a gentle radiance that penetrates the deepest layers of his being, healing wounds he may not even realize he carries. Your light, your very essence, acts as a balm to his hidden scars, those ancient hurts that have shaped his defenses and guarded his heart. You do this effortlessly, simply by being who you are, authentic, compassionate, and deeply connected to your own truth. The angels reveal that your presence has activated a healing current within him, a subtle yet profound shift. He may not articulate it, may not even consciously understand it, but he feels it. He senses the softening of old pains and the easing of burdens he has carried for far too long. Your unwavering spirit and your capacity for unconditional understanding create a safe harbor where his soul can finally begin to heal. This healing is not something you actively do to him. It is a natural consequence of your shared energetic field and a testament to the purity of your connection. The angels whisper, Your love is a quiet miracle, dissolving the shadows he thought were permanent. You are a catalyst for his emotional liberation, a gentle force encouraging him to shed the armor he has worn for so long. Trust that this profound healing is unfolding, even in moments of apparent separation. Your light continues to work its magic, preparing him for a deeper, more authentic connection. You are a healer by divine design. Life's journey is a magnificent tapestry, intricately woven by unseen hands, and your path, intertwined with his, is a vital thread in this grand design. The angels reveal that every convergence and every divergence serves a higher purpose, a lesson to be learned, and growth to be embraced. When paths seem to separate, it is not always an ending, it is often a strategic repositioning, a divine redirection for both souls involved. Sometimes, a temporary divergence allows each soul to integrate lessons, shed old patterns, or gather strength for the next phase of their shared journey. It is a time for individual refinement, a period where the universe prepares each of you for a deeper, more harmonious reunion. Do not view these moments as failures or rejections, but as essential movements within the cosmic dance. Each step, whether together or apart, is guided by an overarching wisdom, ensuring that both souls evolve toward their highest good. The angels whisper, every twist and turn in your shared story is a brushstroke on a masterpiece, leading to a breathtaking reveal. Trust the artistry of this divine tapestry. Understand that the universe is not punishing you with separation, but perfecting the conditions for a love that is truly aligned, truly ready to flourish. Your connection is resilient, woven with threads of destiny that cannot be broken by mere earthly distance or time. While your soul yearns for connection, the angels remind you of the profound importance of reclaiming your own sacred heart, independent of any external validation or outcome. Your worth is not measured by his presence or absence, nor by the timing of his return. Your value is inherent, divinely bestowed, and eternally radiant. This journey, in its essence, is about remembering who you are, beyond the roles you play in another's life. The waiting, often perceived as a void, is actually a fertile ground for self-discovery, a sacred space where you can cultivate an even deeper relationship with your own spirit. It is an invitation to nurture your passions, to honor your intuition, and to fill your own cup until it overflows. The angels whisper that true love, the kind that lasts, flows from a place of wholeness, not from a space of longing or incompleteness. When you are full, when your heart is vibrant and self-sustained, you attract a love that mirrors that abundance. The angels whisper, your radiant heart is a magnet, drawing to you all that is meant for your highest good. Focus on your own blossoming, on the joy of your own existence. Let your inner light shine so brightly that it illuminates your path, guiding you not just to him, but to the fullest expression of your own magnificent self. This is not a passive waiting, it is an active, powerful act of self-love and spiritual alignment. In the quiet moments, when the world's noise subsides, the angels are always nearby, whispering guidance directly to your soul. These messages rarely come as loud declarations, but instead as gentle nudges, intuitive insights, or a profound sense of knowing that settles deep within your heart. They are the subtle signs, the synchronistic events, and the recurring thoughts that feel divinely inspired. Your intuition, dear one, is the language of your soul, a direct connection to the angelic realm. Learn to trust these inner promptings, these soft reassurances that guide your steps and illuminate your path. When you feel a sudden urge to pause, to reflect, or to take a specific action, understand that it is often a celestial hand gently guiding you. The angels are constantly communicating, offering comfort, clarity, and confirmation of your divine journey. The angels whisper, listen closely to the silence, for it is there that our truths unfold within you. They encourage you to make space in your day for stillness, for meditation, and for simply being present. In these moments, your receptivity increases, allowing their loving guidance to flow freely. Trust that you are never alone, that a whole host of celestial beings walks beside you, lighting your path and affirming your sacred purpose. Their wisdom is always available, a constant source of strength and reassurance. Your feminine spirit, dear one, is a sacred vessel, deeply connected to the rhythms of the moon, the tides, and the very essence of creation. It is a source of intuition, compassion, and nurturing energy. The angels invite you to embrace this profound feminine power, to let its gentle currents wash over you, bringing deep healing and restoration. Just as the moon waxes and wanes, so do your emotions and energies. Honor these cycles. Allow yourself to feel, to release, and to replenish. Do not suppress your tears or diminish your joy. Your emotional landscape is a rich tapestry, and every thread holds meaning. The angels reveal that true strength lies not in stoicism, but in the courageous vulnerability of your heart, in your capacity to feel deeply and to heal profoundly. The angels whisper, allow the gentle light of the moon to soothe your spirit, reminding you of your inherent beauty and resilience. Nurture yourself with the same tenderness you offer to others. Engage in practices that nourish your soul, quiet reflection, creative expression, and spending time in nature. This self-care is not selfish, it is essential. It is how you replenish your wellspring, ensuring that your light continues to shine brightly, attracting all that is good and true into your life. Your life is a divinely guided journey, each step orchestrated by an unseen hand that holds your highest good at its core. Even when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, or when doubts cloud your vision, know that you are being led. The angels reveal that every challenge, every unexpected turn, is part of a larger benevolent design, shaping you, refining you, and preparing you for the blessings that await. Trusting this unseen hand requires a profound surrender, a willingness to release the need for control and to embrace the mystery of unfolding. It means having faith that even when you cannot see the next step, the ground beneath you is firm, and the direction is true. The angels whisper that your journey is not about reaching a destination quickly, but about the sacred process of becoming, of aligning with your soul's purpose. The angels whisper, release your grip on what you think should be, and allow the divine current to carry you to what is meant to be. This trust is an act of courage, a declaration of faith in a universe that works in your favor for your ultimate joy and fulfillment. Lean into this divine guidance, knowing that every experience, every encounter, is perfectly placed to support your growth. You are never lost, you are simply being redirected. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Vulnerability, often perceived as weakness, is actually the most powerful alchemy of the soul, transforming fear into connection, and defensiveness into genuine love. The angels invite you to reveal your true self, to shed the layers of protection you have built over time, and to stand in the radiant truth of who you are. This is where authentic intimacy begins, not just with others, but with your own spirit. When you allow yourself to be seen, truly seen, with all your imperfections and your magnificent light, you create a sacred space for deep connection. This courage inspires others to do the same, fostering a depth of relationship that superficial interactions can never achieve. The angels reveal that your vulnerability is not a risk. It is an invitation for love to meet you in your most authentic form. It is a testament to your strength, not your fragility. The angels whisper, your true self, unveiled in its beautiful vulnerability, is a masterpiece of divine creation. Embrace your sensitivities, your unique quirks, and your deepest desires. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of your soul, making you uniquely you. There is immense power in owning your story, in standing firm in your truth, and in allowing your heart to be open. This act of self-acceptance is a beacon, drawing to you those who will cherish and honor your authentic essence. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that full well. Psalm 139 verse 14. You are crowned with grace, dear heart, adorned with a love that is destined, a connection woven into your very being before time began. The angels reveal that this love, the one your soul recognizes, is not a fleeting fantasy but a sacred promise, patiently unfolding in divine timing. It is a love that honors your journey, celebrates your growth, and cherishes your authentic self. Embracing this destined love means releasing the need to force, to control, or to manipulate its arrival. It means trusting that what is truly yours will find its way to you, guided by the same unseen hand that orchestrates the stars. Your task is to remain open, to cultivate a heart that is receptive, and to continue shining your unique light. The angels whisper that your readiness, your inner alignment, is the most powerful magnet for this sacred union. The angels whisper, your destined love is a reflection of the divine within you, a mirror of your own grace and beauty. Allow yourself to receive this love fully, without reservation or fear. It is a gift, a testament to your worthiness, and a celebration of your spiritual journey. This love will not diminish you, it will amplify your light, deepen your purpose, and bring a profound sense of peace and belonging. You are worthy of this extraordinary connection, and it is already on its way, guided by grace. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 7.